Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 crackling or popping audio problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the playing audio. Click on yes, open audio enhancement. If unchecked or disable audio, then check it. Click on apply and OK button and skip this process. Close. The second method is that in the device, in the search box, type a device manager. Open device manager. After doing this step, go to your sound video game controller, expand it, select your audio driver, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from list available driver on my computers, select the version, click next to continue and close it. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is there in the search box, type a device manager, open device manager, scroll down and select the audio driver, right click on update driver, click on search automatic from drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows update. If any updates are available, then download and install in your PC. So in my case is a click on download and install. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process, and after completing that, download and install your updates, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager and open device manager. After doing this test, go down and click on sound video and game controller, select a driver, click on right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and install once again your driver, and I hope your after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a mmsys.cpl. So open it. After doing this, select speakers and set default, and make sure that right click and show disabled devices and show disconnected devices must be checked. After doing this speaker, click on set default, and after that go to your properties, go to your level and select the maximum level of your speakers. Go to your enhancement tabs and make sure that is check it disable all sound effects is checked. After that apply, go to your advanced option and check one by one, and after doing this step, after that you can select the best quality which you want to it. So after doing this step, click on OK and OK button, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.